Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have our February Glossybox, so let's get into it and see what's in here. If you are new to Glossybox, Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It is $21 per month, but the longer you extend your subscription, the price comes down. This is sent to me free for review, but you will always get my honest review, and Glossybox has given me a link. I will put it down below with my code Catherine, and that will get you $5 off your first box. They have made this look different this month. We usually get the pretty pink boxes, and they do special ones periodically. This is our February one. It's very classic looking. I love the way it looks, but the good stuff's on the inside, so let's get in there. It says Timeless Treats, if you didn't see that on the front. Glossybox Timeless Treats. And when we open it up, that is what it looks like. And we get our paperwork without my glasses on. This looks very much like Adele to me. I am sure it is not, but she is very pretty. And that is what we have on the inside. Inside of our paperwork, we have something that will tell us about each of the products we've received. So we're gonna dig right in, right on top. I see we have Muru, and I'm thinking it's gonna be a shampoo and conditioner since we have two. It is from Natura Ecos, and actually it is. It is a shampoo and an après shampoo. So restorative shampoo and conditioner. We can't tell much about this by swatching it, but what we can do is smell it, because the scent of hair products is very important to me. With this much hair, I smell it all day. This is what they look like when we get them out. It's like little milk bottles. Well, old-fashioned milk bottles. You can smell, I'm not that old. I don't remember that. I've seen it in the movies. Oh, it smells very, very good. I would be happy to have my hair smell like this. This is a good size travel, like if you're going away for the weekend or if you just want to try it a few times and make sure you like it. The paperwork says that it is a deluxe mini. It has a $4.70 value. If it was the full size, it would be $47. Remove impurities and restore your hair to its natural shine with this duo. The shampoo forms a creamy foam that cleans, hydrates, and prevents breakage. Ooh. While the conditioner, made with Brazilian Muru butter, protects and softens the strands. Wow, talks about fixing breakage. You guys know, I'm struggling with my hair, so I am on board for anything that's gonna help my breakage. Next out, I have an NCLA nail polish. I think it might be black, although it does have a slightly purple tinge. Let's see what it's called. Back to Black. I'll go with my initial instinct. This is a nice black nail polish, which I actually do find times that I want a really dark color, so I'll try black. You could have received this or a white one. I've wondered, you can get this box in this black like I did, or it's all white with the trim and the writing in black. So I wonder if the black ones have the black nail polish in it and the white ones have the white nail polish. If you get this, let me know what color box and what color nail polish you got. This is the NCLA nail lacquer in Back to Black. The white is called Fresh Linen, and it says, did you get the crisp clean white or the bold classic black? Complete your look with the perfect nail lacquer, made with a formula that applies like a dream. Your nails deserve to look fresh and pretty. And it has a, oh, they've written through it, but I think it says $16 value. So that is what it looks like. And next out, we have a Verso product. It is the Nourishing Cream. Oh, I'm happy to try the Nourishing Cream for your face. I get a lot of their eye creams, but I don't think I get the face cream too often. The paperwork says that this deluxe size is a $27 value, and the full size would be $90. Does that translate? That is ml for ml, almost exactly right. Get long-lasting hydration and well-balanced skin with this intensive cream. Containing niacinamide, vitamin B3, and ceramides, this cream will improve your skin's natural protection, making it look soft, supple, and smooth. I don't see anything on the back of it I can't use, so let's see what it feels like and smells like. It does have phenoxyethanol in it, which a lot of products do because it's their preservative, but I love that in this, it is second to last. The very last thing that they put in is actually the perfume, the fragrance. So the last two things are the preservative and the fragrance. I like it when they show up like that in the order. So it's just a nice little white cream. It's not very thick. It feels like it's absorbing quite nicely. Very light, just kind of a lotion-y scent, not floral, not fresh, just, you know, when it just smells like lotion. Yeah, it is absorbing. That feels really nice. I'm gonna read about it a little more, but I like the way that feels. Next out, we have a Rodeo. Looks like we have eye patches. They are a $6 value, and it's the Dragon's Blood Eye Mask. Gently hydrate your under eyes and rejuvenate your appearance with Rodeol's unique Dragon's Blood Complex. The masks contain hyaluronic acid to prolong moisture retention, while arnica extract reduces puffiness and dark circles for a more awakened look. I would love a more awakened look. I did a completely different look today. I'm not loving it. I went with a lighter eye and a darker liner. I like the darker eyes on me. I think mine's so pale that I need the... Anyway, we have the Rodeo Dragon's Blood eye masks. I have actually done these. It came, one of the boxes that I get actually had a whole Rodeo box. It was probably either glossy or looked fantastic, and I liked it a lot. So next out, I have a Vita Liberata Fabulous Self-Tanning Gradual Lotion. Will she or won't she? I haven't yet. I get so many tanning products and I keep thinking I'm going to tan. I'm going to do my face or I'm going to do my body. In one of my boxes, I just got an Aesthetica cream contour. I tried doing it today and I don't think I'm good at it yet. Point being, if I would self-tan, I wouldn't have to worry as much about contouring. I have actually seen videos where people self-tan where they would put their bronzer. I can't even imagine being that exact and that good. This is the deluxe size, 50 ml, worth $5. If it was the full size, 200 ml, it would be $20. Who says you can only be tanned and glowing in the summer? I don't even get tanned and glowing in the summer. This self-tanning lotion is the perfect solution to getting that summer glow in the winter. Stay hydrated and build a gradual, natural-looking tan with this gentle formula made with hyaluronic acid for extra moisture. So is it your face? Oh, it says apply to clean skin on face and body to build to a natural-looking tan. I would try this on my body first. I cannot imagine trying this on my face. If it went wrong, it could be wrong for weeks. And yet it would be one heck of a funny video. And it looks like last but not least in this box, and I'll get to this in a second. Last but not least in this box, I have a Cab Cosmetics cream lipstick. That is what it looks like. No, I don't. I was gonna say I have on Cab, but that was yesterday. I got a duo from them. It was a liner and a lip oil. It was in one of my Advents, probably my glossy Advent. And I love it. I wear that liner a lot. You know, with masks, if you go out with masks, liner stays so much more and transfers so much less that I have really grown to enjoy just a liner. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, it's like it was made for me, I think. It's kind of a pinky mauve. Let's see what the paperwork says and then we'll try it. Cab Cosmetics full-size Sweetheart Lipstick. It has an $18 value. Finish your makeup look by adding some lovely, subtle color to your lips. The creamy formula and long-lasting pigment will keep your lips pretty and hydrated all day and all night. You won't have to worry about wiping lipstick off your teeth. Well, that's always good. Oh, this is really pretty, especially in the summer. That will be really close to like a nude lip for me. I like that a lot. That is very pretty. It's kind of a matte look. It goes on really smoothly, but it's a matte look. It's kind of built a little bit. I like it. I will definitely use that. So that is what comes in the Glossybox February box. We have the two, I've said this like 5 times, guys, Muru shampoo and conditioner. The Vita Liberata all over face, body, anywhere you're daredevil enough to tan. The NCLA nail lacquer, I received it in black. The Verso 3, which is the face cream, which absorbed into my hand so nicely. The Rodeo Dragon's Blood eye masks, and the Cab Cosmetics in this pretty pinkish color lippy. So that is the February box. I will put my link and my code below. Will get you $5 off your first box. Now let me tell you about this other box that I've barely mentioned. I'm going to open this absolutely as little as I can. It is the Glossy skincare box. And they sent me this too. It's a box they were selling and they sent it to some of us to show you, but there was a shipping problem and it sold out before most of us got ours. So I have this nice box full of Glossybox skincare. Actually, the ribbon is way up here. I'm showing you guys this. The ribbon is way up here. I'm gonna leave it alone. There's the little sticker down here. I'm gonna tear it as gently as I can so I can show you the inside. And it is a set of the Glossybox face care range. And it has the Gentle Foaming Cleanser, the Hydrating Mist, the Night Serum, the 3-in-1 Moisturizer, and the Eye Boost Cream. And that is what it looks like. I have all of these products. They have been generous enough to send them to me before. So I have tried them all. I like them. And I want to give one of you guys a chance to try it. So I'm not going to talk about this in my title or anything. I appreciate you guys that come over and watch the videos and stay to the end. So we're just not even going to talk about it. We're just going to give this away. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it open until the end of the month. So I will close it at 5 p.m. my time, which is Eastern time, on February 28th. So if this is something that you think you would like to try, I will do it as a giveaway. Let's say in the comments below, just work in the word skincare because we don't want to draw people's attention to it. I want you guys who watch and stay through my videos to see this. So just work the word skincare into your comment below, and I'll do a random comment picker from those comments. It's all of the same rules I've always had. I will put them down below in case I forget any of them here, because I'm kind of doing this. I came up and I saw it sitting there, so I'm doing it on the fly. I didn't prep for it. You have to be 18. Let's say I will ship to the US, Canada, and the UK. This came from the UK, so it's got to be okay for me to send back. That sounds funny when you say it like that. But a US, Canada, or UK address. YouTube and Glossybox actually have nothing to do with this giveaway. This is all me. I will follow all of their rules. I will have random comment picker pick from the comments below. There's no need in doing it more than once because random comment picker only allows one comment from each name, and I will let you know if you won. If you have Insta, if you don't mind, go ahead and put your Insta name in your comment also. Just kind of like at the end, all subtle and stuff, because DMing you is the safest way I can DM you. You can give me your address and we can get it shipped out. I think that's everything. You have to be 18, US, UK, Canada, not YouTube, not Glossybox, only me. Read below. Be sure and read the description below so you'll know all of the rules. I appreciate you guys so much. I want to get back into doing giveaways. I'm going to test out going to the post office. We'll see how that works. I'll probably throw a couple extras in here with it too. So like I said, if you have any interest, just work skincare on the down low into your comment below, and we'll do a random drawing for this on February 28th at 5, and then I'll contact the winner within a day or so. Also, let's say this because it has been a problem in the past. If I don't hear back from you within 48 hours of me contacting you, I'll go ahead and draw another winner. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here, to come to the channel and watch my videos. Oh, be subscribed and be subscribed to the channel. So please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and thanks again for being here. Bye, guys. Skincare.